Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. I am your host Rishabh Rajesh, and in this video we are going to compare the Hyundai Verna facelift or Hyundai Verna 2020 with the Honda City, not the 2020 version, the 2017 version, and the Maruti Suzuki Ciaz. So it's going to be a tough competition between them, and we are going to see who is the ultimate winner. And let me tell you, at the end of this video we'll be telling you something which will be fruitful for you in this lockdown, which will be that you will be very much interested. You will gain a lot of knowledge, and yeah, I'll not disclose it right now. I'll disclose it at the end of the video. Let's start. First, let's talk about the exteriors. So in the exteriors, first of all, in the Hyundai Verna facelift, we'll be getting a bigger, broader and a very cool looking front grille, which will be a hexagonal pattern grille, and there'll be two types of grills which will be available with the same design, and the size will be same, except the design will be a little different, which is that the normal, which means the petrol and the diesel Verna, will be getting a chrome studded front hexagonal front grille, and the turbo variant of it will be getting a full black front grille. And let me tell you that the LED headlamps will be properly placed, will look very stylish, are very sleek, and yeah, overall it gives a good look to the car from the front. It has a refreshed look now. Talking about the Honda City 2017, it gets the kind of the same design trait which has been followed from all the Honda Cities. So right now the new Honda City has not come, no details have been revealed, so we are not comparing it with the new one. In the Ciaz we get a very sleek design and a very sober design. It doesn't feel that it has been overdone with the simple looking headlamps. The grille is also quite slim and sleek looking, and the bumpers are also nice. From the side, three of the cars will get 16-inch alloy wheels. The Verna will get 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The Honda City will also get diamond cut alloy wheels, and the Ciaz will also get diamond cut alloy wheels. So all will be getting diamond cut alloy wheels. From the area, all the three cars will be getting LED tail lamps, and it will get faux plating, and everything will be done, and it looks nice. Means all the three cars have a good look, a macho look, and overall a charismatic look. From the interior, let me tell you, first telling you about the features. So there will be a standalone touchscreen in the Hyundai Verna. In the Honda City, there will be embedded touchscreen. In the Ciaz also, there will be a simple touchscreen available, which will be the Smart Play Studio system. Let me tell you, apart from that, some leading features in the Verna are wireless charging, electric sunroof, which is also available in the Honda City, but I'm just saying. And apart from that, we will get a full digital instrument cluster. Cruise control is available on all the three cars, and apart from that, the common features which you will be getting will be auto AC, rear AC vents, cruise control. Then Honda City and the Hyundai Verna will be getting 6 airbags on the top spec variants, whereas the Ciaz has a downfall over there, or it doesn't have an upper hand over there in terms of safety. It will only get 2 airbags as standard as well as on the top end variants. Now let me tell you about the engine options. So in the Verna, we'll be getting 2 petrol engines and 1 diesel engine. So there will be a 1.5 liter petrol, a 1.5 liter diesel, and a 1 liter turbocharged petrol engine. Whereas in the Honda City, there will be only a 1.5 liter petrol engine. I was wondering that many people have already bought the 1.5 liter diesel variant. But why am I saying that there is only a petrol variant? Because as the BS6 norms came, and when Honda updated the Honda City with the BS6 engine, at that time they discontinued the diesel engine for this make. For the new make, there might be a diesel engine. For the Ciaz also, the diesel engine has been ditched, and now as we see, this is the way it is. So now let's tell you about the So let's talk about, first of all, its dimensions. So the length of the Verna will be 4440, which is 4440 millimeters. For the City, it will be again same. For the Ciaz, it's only 50 millimeters more, which is 4490 millimeters. The width of the Verna will be 1729. For the City, it will be 1695, and for the Ciaz, it will be 1730. The height of the Verna will be 1475 millimeters. For the City, it will be 1495 millimeters, and for the Ciaz, it will be 1485 millimeters. The wheelbase of the Verna and the City will exactly be the same, which is 2600 millimeters, and the Ciaz has the upper hand over here by 50 millimeters extra of wheelbase. Ground clearance of the Verna and the Ciaz are exactly the same, which is 170 millimeters, and the city has a downfall over here of only 165 millimeters. Curb weight is of the Verna is 1095 millimeters. Okay, I got that wrong because I'm just reading it out. So it will be 1995 kgs. For the city it will be 1058 kgs, and for the Ciaz it will be 1016 kgs. So let me tell you, the Ciaz is the lightest over here and the Verna is the most heaviest, which means we can say that the Verna is quite well equipped in terms of safety features, in terms of build quality and much more. So fuel tank capacity of the Verna will be 45 liters, for the city it will be 40 liters, and for the Ciaz it will be 43 liters. Boot space of the Verna will be 465 liters. 465 liters. For the city it will be 510 liters, and for the Ciaz it will be 510 liters. And as I told you, alloy wheels will all be 16-inch ones. And as I told you, both the Verna and the city will get 6 airbags, and the Ciaz will get only 2 airbags. So talking about its price point, all start from around 9 lakhs and end at around 17 lakh. So it's not the on-road, it's the ex-showroom price. So obviously the Ciaz is a little cheaper than the 2 alternatives, but I'll say that at the end of the video or end of this comparison, I'll say that the Verna has a very good strong point over here. And let me tell you that now, as the mid-size sedan segment is lowering down and is not getting a lot of attention, the mid-size SUV segment is now getting the gain. So right here, the new Honda City, which will be launching soon this year, and the Verna have a very strong point, whereas the Ciaz has a bit of an outdated look and the interiors also are not very up to the mark. And let me tell you now, talking about the special thing which I was telling you. So let me tell you that in this lockdown, if you want to learn something new, if you want to learn new languages, then Duolingo application is the best here. So in that you will get 90+ languages to learn, including Spanish, German, French and much more. You can learn Hindi, English or any other subjects which you want. So this was it, and let me tell you that overall Duolingo will also give you games also in it, which will keep you engaged, as well as you can learn something new. So it will be like a normal game, like a word game or anything which you play, which means you learn as well as you play. So that was it from my side. If you like this video, do give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel, and after subscribing, press the bell icon to stay notified for latest updates. Thank you for watching. This is Rishabh Rajesh signing off.